Hey guys, Tom here. So, as usual, I got way ahead of myself. I started working on stuff before I started taping, which has been a big problem with me. I get too excited, ADHD and all that, and I just jump right into things without properly documenting them. So, today what I'm working on is my new tool chest I just purchased. It is a old Craftsman, I want to say a 1980s rolling toolbox. I've already taken out all of the trays from everything, and my goal is to clean this all up, paint it, and make it look brand new again. So, pardon the mess, we are still moving in and there's a lot of projects going on. So, but with that, let's kick into the time lapse. So it was at this point I realized I probably should have taken the wheels off first. Let's get back into it. Okay, well, that was fun. Uh, I don't think these are the original wheels. That or someone did replace them. There was a screw missing on one of them, and I think the bolts were different sizes. Some of them were 3/8 and the rest were 7/16. So not too different, but different enough to piss me off. So now that's out of the way, let's flip it over and keep scrubbing it. So one thing I probably should have done before I started, I removed all the trays, but I didn't remove the slides. So now I'm gonna have to pull those out. I think I'm just gonna lightly sand the inside. I don't think I'm gonna completely strip everything out. I'm not really gonna see the inside, so I might just clean it out a little bit and throw a coat of paint on it and call it a day. All right, so we've sanded this down. Did 80 grit, or no, 100 grit, then down to 120 grit. So it's feeling pretty smooth right now. If I close my eyes and put my hands over this, I cannot feel really any grooves, even on this little marred spot. So it is coming along pretty well. I think this, well, definitely needs to be sprayed down and cleaned, but I think this is almost ready. All right, well, in the next video, we'll go over everything else.